Data powers every decision, every product, and every innovation. That's why Qubika created Qversity, our hands-on data engineering training program designed to form the next generation of data professionals.
We started with only a basic understanding of some of the languages used in data engineering, and we came out equipped with a comprehensive in-demand technology stack that will definitely open many doors for anyone who masters it. From DBT to Airflow, PySpark, Medallion architecture, all the way to becoming certified Databricks data engineer professionals.
After finishing my bachelor's and master's, I realized there were some skills that you only get from real work experience, and Qversity gave me exactly that. What I really liked is that you get to learn the same things that clients are actually asking of data engineers today. You get hands-on experience building every step of a data pipeline, plus the support of a strong community of data developers who guide you along the way.
Following Qversity, I joined Qubika, where I'm continuing to study, and I am already part of a project with a client working on a data ecosystem migration using complex data pipelines and architectures, which will afterwards be used for dashboards and high-level decision-making. Our journey has been incredibly transformative, and looking back, it's amazing to think how far we've come in such a short time.